Hi all. Today I welcome you all to this Preeti Parthipan Gallery YouTube channel. And for this session, I would like to explain about how to work in Xilinx software, that is ISC Design Suite 14.7. Okay. So before going into the program, before going to the software, just create a new folder. Okay. You can put any name. Just for example, I'm putting Xilinx programs. I'm creating a folder as Xilinx program in my desktop. Any place you want, you can choose the destination. Okay. After that, you just open ISE Design Suite 14.7. Okay. So a dialog box opens like this. You can close this. So the first step will be you have to go to File. You have to do New Project. Click New Project. So here you have to put the file project name. Okay. The project name can be anything which you are going to assign. Okay. So for example, today I'm going to do AND gate. So I'm putting just AND underscore gate. And here I'm going to select the location. Okay. For example, as I've already told you, we have created a location in the desktop. So I'm going to the desktop there and I'm going to search for I have put it like a project. I've put it like Xilinx program, right? Yeah, Xilinx program. So I'm opening that. I'm giving OK. So the location is being fixed, and then you have to give next. So here in this new wizard project wizard, there is already things assigned here. Usually we will be doing the programs using either Verilog or using VHDL. So today I'm going to use using Verilog. So I've put Verilog here. So I'm giving next. Okay. So after that, you can give finish here. So like this, it will be coming. The next step will be the name which we assigned, that is and underscore gate has been assigned here. Okay. So here you have to go to this file. Okay. You have to click right click and you have to go for new source. Okay. So when you click new source, you'll be getting new source without dialogs box will be appearing. So as I've already told you, today I'm going to do the program using Verilog module. So I'm going to click Verilog and I'm going to put the file name here. So when we type the file name, you should be very careful that the file name should not be as same as the name which we already gave in the project name. Okay, the first thing we gave and underscore gate. No, it should not be as same like that. So I'm giving here like and gate one. Okay. Next, I'm putting next. Here you have to select the inputs and outputs in this wizard. If you don't want to put here, you can also type it in the program. Anything it is, it's fine. So I'm putting here. So as I've already told you, we are going to do AND gate today. So AND gate, two input AND gate. So A comma B are the two inputs and C is the output. So I have to click here output and I am going to give next. So here it will be assigned the values which we gave as come here. So if there is any error, you can go back, you can change this and you can also give next. Then if it is okay with it, you can give finish. Okay. So now you can see here the module and gate one, which I've gave as the file name and input output all have given. So today I'm going to do the AND gate, right? So the program is AND open bracket. So what is output? C. Output comma input. So that is a command and I'm giving semicolon. Okay. So after doing this, I have to save the program. You can see here the icon, right? This is the save icon. I'm going to save it. So after saving the program, we have to check whether the program is correct or wrong. So for that, you can see here there are two icons. One is implementation and another one is the simulation. So we have already implemented the program. So now we are going to see the simulation. So I'm going to click the simulation here. I'm going to click this and gate one, that is .v file here. And then I'm going to see, you can see this. When we click here, it will automatically change to iSimulator. So I'm going to click that. So I'm going to check the syntax here, behavioral syntax. You have to double click that. So wait for some seconds. So now you can see that there is no error in our program. The program is completed successfully. So after checking the syntax, if you get any errors, the errors will be coming here. Okay. So for this program, it doesn't have any error. So next we have to simulate this. So I'm going to double click simulate behavior model. So it takes some time. Yeah. So now iSimulator, another box opens here. In this, What I'm going to do is I'm going to click my cursor in this value and I'm going to right click. Okay, you can see here constant and force clock. Two options are there. I'll be going to the force clock to check the random inputs and outputs. Okay, so force clock, you have to give here the leading edge value, like I'm giving 1. Okay, so the trailing edge value I'm giving 0, and cancel after time offset. This is just for the output running. You can see that when the output has been simulated, and I'm giving here a period of 20 periods. Okay, so next I'm going to give apply and I'm going to give OK. So now I forced clock for the input A. Similarly, I'm going to do for B also. Same, you have to go to the force clock. I'm giving you a 1 and I'm giving you a 0. Cancel after 2 milliseconds and I'm giving you either period 20 or 10, anything it is. I'm giving you 10. So next I'm giving apply and I'm giving OK. Fine. So now I've forced the clock to the inputs A and B. So now I'm going to run the program. You can see here one option, right? A play button. I'm going to give that. So now my outputs are being generated. Okay, they are running. You can see, this particular running moment, that is what I've gave as 2 millisecond. Okay, so now you can check the output. The outputs have been assigned by its own self. Now we can just drag this yellow line and we can check our outputs. Okay, so I am dragging this. So you can see here, A it is 0 and B it is 0. Since it is an AND gate, 0 into 0 will be 0. Okay, and I'm keeping my cursor here. Okay, you can see here it is A is 1, B is 1, and the output, since it is an AND gate, it is 1. Okay, so if you want to check all the inputs at a single time, you can zoom in. You can see here, you can zoom in and you can drag your cursor, this yellow line, and you can check the output. You can see here the values are changing, right? So for example, you can see here, yes. So A is 0, B is 1, and output is 0. Okay, so that's it. We have completed the simulation of NAND gate. So after completing, you can just close the button. It will be asking, do you really want to exit the application? You can give yes. Fine. So for today's session, you have seen how to write the program, how to simulate the program by using Xilinx software. ISC Design Suite 14.7. Okay. So hope everyone have enjoyed this session. If you have any doubts, you can put in the comment section. Okay. Surely I will be clarifying your doubts. And if you like this video, kindly share, subscribe, and give a like button. Thank you.